Yeah, this is super fun.
Yeah, it's really nice. Did you go in the water? Did you?
The beach is only like 2 blocks that way. So cute. Well, that was fun. We drove all the way down to the end because we didn't know where our spot was. Then we had to back it up all the way back. And this site is really tight. All right, so this is the spot. Not our favorite. It's very difficult to get into because you don't have a lot of turning radiance, or is that the right word? I don't know. Pretty unlevel. But I think these are all the like normal, like people who stay here for a long time, and then these are for the people who come and go. So the pole's also on the wrong side. Oops. It's on this side. And usually it's on the other side. So that's kind of weird. Paul likes to hang this thing up now. It's a good spot for it. Right there on the hitch. It's Thursday. Got here yesterday. And we are going to go to the beach. Can you tell? See what kind of trouble we can get into. We'll see what happens. Stella's ready for the beach.
Yeah, she is.
Marv, you ready for the beach?
You guys ready for the beach?
Are you ready for the beach?
I'm ready for the beach. Let's see the difference.
Yeah.
Oh, so much clearer.
Is it?
Hey, Cinnamon.
Hey.
What are we gonna do today?
Well, first we're gonna eat some lunch.
Yes.
At this place, the Hang Tin Grill, which has really cool tables.
Yeah.
I like them a lot. And then we're gonna go down to the beach that we can actually drive on. And we're gonna take the dogs.
That sounds
go
fun.
run around. That's super fun. Then we're gonna stop at the grocery store.
Yep.
And then we're gonna go home and wash the puppies because they're gonna get dirty, and they're already dirty.
They are.
And then we're gonna go to Ryan and Maddie's and do some laundry and have dinner and play games.
Because it's free.
It's gonna be a great day.
Yep.
Yeah.
Looking forward to it.
Me too. All right, we got some fried pickles,
I don't even know what to say about this. Look
blackened
how awesome that looks.
mahi fish tacos. Looks so good. And fried shrimp
Everything
tacos.
is homemade.
Yeah.
Ah,
So good.
yeah.
Just got to our friend's house. They're renting a little house. It's not really on the beach, but the beach is only like 2 blocks that way. So cute. Look at the little palm tree. What do you think?
I like it.
Unexpected. $30.
I know.
Oh well. It's the price you gotta pay.
No. There's no things. No concealments.
None of this, none of that, none of this, none of that. Where's the ocean? There it is. Guys, there's the ocean. A lot of these people are smarter than us.
Yeah.
They brought canopies
Fishing poles
and
in the front.
all kinds of fun stuff. Putting our 4-wheel drive to good use. Driving on the beach.
Oh, it's Jeep.
Hope that doesn't happen to us. He's stuck. Paul's out of breath.
We just ran like
You just ran the dogs.
Christmas for people.
Yeah. This is super fun.
Yeah, so nice.
It's like the perfect temperature.
It is.
It's not too hot. The sand's not hot. The water's not too cold. 2 thumbs up, Carolina Beach. Nice,
But
work.
Yeah.
Oh, good girl, Stella. Woo. You get soaked? She's like, barf. Barf.
So, did you go in the water? Oh my goodness sakes. You're so gross and messy. Man.
Birds. Oh no. Oh geez. They are like dive bombing.
Oh yeah, that's lots of fun.
She loves it.
That's so much fun.
Marvin, why don't you love it?
You're snorting. It's like, what?
I thought she'd come like running.
Yeah, that's what I do.
Stella, are you getting a shower?
Oh.
Stella. Gotta get all the sand off, Stella. Oh boy, Marv. Oh boy, look at you getting all cleaned up. Oh yeah. Man.
He got a lather quick.
Yeah, he did. Ooh. We got sap.
Yeah, we got some sap from the last campsite we were at, so we need to try to get that off.
Let's get it off, people. You ready for this?
Okay.
Ooh.
2 lemon, 2 those.
Nice.
We got 10 different kinds.
Oh, yeah. 10 different kinds.
Oh, 12. No, 10 different kinds and then 2
12 cookies
those two.
total. Yeah.
Yeah, 12 total.
Bethany. Bethany. Let me see your face. Look at how cute you are.
What? Why is that the one word you know?
Because I know all the words to the song.
Not the one.
The song is about doing meth or speed or something. I don't know. It's about doing drugs.
But what?
Doing drugs.
Doing drugs.
Bad.
Do you feel like you're doing drugs right now? You know it's like 90 degrees out here. You don't care? You like it? Yeah. You guys are weird. So we spent a total of 3 days down at Snow's Cut RV Park, right outside of Carolina Beach. It was pretty close, maybe 5-10 minutes from all of the major activity. The park has about 3 or 4 spots right at the very beginning when you first come into the park. It's a practically brand new park. Brand new roads, brand new hookups, everything's pretty new. It was pretty difficult to get into. It was a little pricey, but the convenience of the location made it all worth it.
Crazy awnings.
Yeah, that was good too.
Huh. I got Paul to put the slides in since I don't like it. Oh wait, which one are you putting? What?
Pen under the couch.
Pen under the couch. See?
I can't come down. You come up here.
We're leaving Carolina Beach. We loved it here.
That was nice.
It was really nice.
Yeah.
We enjoyed our time on the beach, and we are getting ready to travel to an area kind of outside the Outer Banks for a couple weeks. You ready to roll?
I am.
All right.
Yes.
You ready for some sunglasses?
I am. I can't see anything at all. I'm blind right now.
So hopefully it'll be a little easier to get out of here than it was to get in here. Because there's just not a lot of room right here to maneuver. So he might have to back. Are you gonna like hook up sideways?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I'm gonna come in from here.
Okay.
This should be very interesting.
Yeah. It's been like 20 minutes into our travel day, and it's already been so stressful. This is a reminder and a tip for everybody.
That's the number one thing the day
Number
prior
one thing.
to the travel day.
Day prior to a travel day, go fill up with gas. Hooking up and then trying to find gas while you're hooked up with a giant rig on you, and you're in a little town, and there's
You don't know where you're at.
and you don't know where you're at, and there's no flying stars or pilots or anywhere. It's very complicated. We tried to go in like 4 gas stations. None of them would
They're
work.
all super tight.
They're all super tight.
There's no like flying J's or anything.
None of that is around
here.
here.
So
We were very lucky to find a cheap gas, like randomly, like 70 cents cheaper than most of the other places. But it was very complicated to get in and out of. I stepped in an ant pile. That was fun. And then we almost ran into some guy going out. So, word to the wise.
Woo.
Number 1 tip, get gas or diesel before you leave. We're preaching to ourselves here.
That's right.
Always make
Reminder to
sure
ourselves.
you have a full tank before you travel.
Yeah.
Takes way less stress out of the day. Hopefully that's the least stressful thing that happens during this travel day. Crossing our fingers, saying a prayer.
The most stressful thing.
Yeah.
Not the least.
Oh, yeah, sorry. I said that wrong.
Have the opposite logic. In their CRT experiments, Alter and Oppenheimer made students excel by making their lives harder. Compensation learning, on the other hand, is really hard. Memorizing what your mother says while she reads to you and then reproduces it. Most people with a serious disability cannot master all those steps. But those who can are better off than they would have been otherwise. Because what it was horrible to be in school, a man named Brian Glazer told me. My body chemistry would always change. I would be anxious, really anxious. It would take forever to do a simple. In one survey of Londoners on the night of September 12, 1940, a third said they had gotten no sleep the night before, and another third